Users can configure the various colors SURFCAM uses for its interface. The color controls are found under Tools, Options, Color. Anyone can choose a fully custom color from the selection boxes on the right-hand column. Make sure the updated settings are saved before clicking OK, so they are stored for later use. Any background changes can be reset to factory install themes. A common user favorite is to reset the background away from the gradient. Several other settings can be controlled here, such as the default toolpath backblock colors, the check surface selection color, or the surface boundary spline colors.